الله أكبر الله أكبر.
My name is محمد وقاص. I'm from England and I've been living in Saudi Arabia now for almost 8 years, alhamdulillah. So when it comes to Hajj, you know, every time I visit Makkah and Medina is special for me. But Hajj is a pillar of Islam. It's a duty on every Muslim. It's something we have to do at least once in our lifetime for those of us that are able to do it. So I count myself very fortunate and I can't thank Allah enough. You know, subhanAllah, for the past 3 years I've been trying to perform Hajj. And for one reason or another, it's not happened. Whatever reason, my niyyah was there, but subhanAllah, qadar Allah, it didn't happen. Last year's, you know, the pandemic, there was only 1,000 people performing Hajj. So this year when the registration opened for Hajj, as soon as I found out the registration is open, I quickly went onto the computer, I logged in and I registered. And mashallah, the process was so easy. I registered, my wife registered, and then after that we said, look, we're leaving it to Allah. Allah knows our intention, He knows our niyyah, and if it's meant to be, it will be. And alhamdulillah, we made dua. We constantly every day made dua, oh Allah, please make a way for us both to perform Hajj. And then, as you know, once the registration closed, results were announced who will be going for Hajj. Wizaratul Hajj started sending out text messages. On the first day, when they sent out the text messages, we didn't receive anything. So you can imagine how upset I was, how upset my wife was. And look, I said, Qadar Allah, look, our intention was that inshallah we will get the reward. On the second day, no messages. We heard that more people received messages. We thought, alhamdulillah, you know, there's still a chance. Second day, nothing. On the third day, I went to sleep, not expecting anything. At 2:30 in the morning, my wife woke me up. She said, wake up. I said, what's happened? You know, I thought something's wrong. She said, alhamdulillah, we've been accepted for Hajj. I said, what? She goes, alhamdulillah, we've been accepted for Hajj. We just received the message. You know, my first instinct was, am I dreaming? You know, because I want to do Hajj so much. Maybe this is in my dream. But she said, no, it's real. And I couldn't thank Allah enough for this opportunity. To be selected, one person or two of us from 60,000 is a great thing. I think there was a few things I was thinking about, but the biggest thing that played on my mind was coming for Hajj and my Hajj not being accepted. Me doing something wrong, making all this effort, being so fortunate that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala chose me to come to Hajj, one of the 60,000, but then me messing up. So this played a lot on my mind on the journey from Riyadh to here. It's hard to explain how fortunate I feel, how blessed I feel that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave me this opportunity to make Hajj this year, and I don't want to mess it up. I think if there's one thing I would like to share with people is, it's one thing seeing Hajj on TV, it's one thing watching it live, but it's completely different being here. Some people tend to delay Hajj because they feel it's too difficult. Believe me, I used to be one of those. I used to see photos and videos and I used to think, this is not for me. Maybe when I get older, when I'm 60 years old, I'll do this. But having actually come for Hajj, it's an amazing experience. Believe me, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will make everything easy for you. You will enjoy it, and the day you leave, you will want to come back. You will cry. I've seen people cry tears upon departing from Mina. So my message to anyone who's thinking about doing Hajj but thinks it's too difficult, don't delay. Please take the step and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make everything easy for you.